Hello. Instructions for the car loan assignment. Please open the attached workbook. This workbook contains 3 worksheets, car loan 1, 2, and 3. They're all the same loan amount, interest rate, and term in months, but we're going to do them slightly different for each one. So right now I'm in car loan 1 worksheet. The loan is for $32,000 and the interest rate is 6.5% and it's for 36 months, which is 3 years. So click in B9, choose formulas, select financial. It's in alphabetical order, so scroll down to PMT for payment. I want to find out what will the monthly payments be for this loan at this interest rate for 36 months, 3 years. So the first, once you select from the formulas financial, the PMT dialog box for the function arguments, the first thing they want is the rate. And if you look down below, it tells you the rate is the interest rate per period for the loan, and they gives you an example. So I'll click the interest rate right here, B5. Now the interest rate is for each payment, so it's divided by 12 because there's 12 months in each year. The next one, NPR, which is number of payments, is the total number of payments for the loan, which is 36. And you notice it's selected B6, and you can actually see it here as well. For PV, this is the present value. What is the amount of the loan? So before I click this cell here, B4, I'm going to type a minus sign because otherwise it'll come as a credit, which would be in red. So I don't want to have that. So now I'll click cell B4. And you can see that the payment will be $980. It's also down here, and 77 cents. It's rounded up. So go ahead and click OK. Now, if you look in the formula bar, you'll see that it says equals payment B5, which is the rate, divided by 12, and how many payments, 36 and B6, and what is the present value. So you can see that it's created up here in the formula bar where we could have actually typed it there. If you wanted to see the breakdown, just click this FX, which is insert function, and you can see the actual breakdown of each area. So the rate is inputted here, and then it has a comma in the formula bar. There's a number of payments followed by a comma and then the present value. So now I want to find how many total payments it'll cost. So the formula is equals, and I'm just going to press the up arrow so it selects cell B9, multiply by a total of 36 payments, 3 years, and then enter. Notice the formula is just B9 times B6. So now the loan is for $32,000, but in the end I'll end up paying $35,307. The difference is what the bank receives for the interest. So in B11 I will type equals and the up arrow for the previous amount minus what the loan was, $32,000. So it's B10 minus B4. So this is what the bank receives for payment of borrowing that money. All right, so now we'll go to car loan 2, and it's the same values. Everything's the same. We're just going to do it a little differently. So I'll go into financial, and I'll look for PMT. And again, the same thing, the rate. Notice it doesn't come up as B5. It actually says what it's attached to. It's the annual interest rate. I'll still divide by 12. And then number of payments, that is right here, B6. Watch when I click B6, it actually says term in months. And then the present value, I'll still put the minus key. And when I click present value, which is B4, it comes up as loan amount. So these values are associated with the name of that label, and I'll show you how you can set that up. Same amount, $980.77. So I'll click OK. Now to find my total payments equals, I'm just going to press the up arrow. Instead of it reading as B9, it says monthly payment times, and I'll click 36, which is B6, and it comes as terms in months. And then I'll find the difference what the bank receives for borrowing this money equals up arrow, total payments, minus loan amount. And it's the same amount. So now just peek back here, it's the same amount. So now in loan 3, if I were to actually go back to financial payment and do my formula, the rate, see how it's coming up as B5 divided by 12, number of payments. How do I get it to read as the name of the associated row? So to do that, you first have to select the range, use from the formula bar, create from selection. The default set is left, so always reading to the left of each cell, so that's pretty much the default setting, so that's okay. And I'll do the same thing for these 3 cells. Create from selection is already at left and okay. So now when I do the formula, I will click financial, or I could go to recently used, and there's PMT. So the rate, now it's come up as annual interest rate divided by 12. Number of payments, I'll click cell B6, it comes up as term in months, minus the present value, I'll click B4 and it comes up as loan amount. There's the same amount, $980.77. Now I'll find the total payments equals up arrow times terms in month, and then I'll find the total interest equals the total payments minus the loan amount, and it comes up the same. So if we want to check all 3 of these, so stay right here in car loan 3, choose view and select new window. Then go to car loan 2 and do the same thing, view, new window. Then go to car loan 1 and choose view, but this time choose arrange all. And I want to see them vertically, and I want to see all the windows that are active in this workbook, and okay. So it shows car loan 1, car loan 2, car loan 3, and they should be all the same values. Now I'll just X out of here and open up this larger. I'm going to make a copy of this just to show you one more way to do this. So I right click on there, choose move or copy, move it to the end, make sure you click a copy. Okay, so now I'll go to this one. You don't have to do this part, you can just observe. I'm going to get rid of my formulas here. What I could do is manually type the formula, and I don't have to type in all caps. So the formula would be PMT, and it would be the rate, which is B5 divided by 12, comma, the number of payments is B6, comma, and then for the present value, minus B4, and then close parentheses and enter. And if I go into it now here, I can see it's corrected everything with uppercase, but I can go in present value and it shows you. So if you're really good with formulas, you can type them yourself. And this one is just the up arrow times the month, and this one is the up arrow minus the loan amount. So you don't have to have this copied one, but you should have the same car loan 1, 2, and 3. This is a save and submit. Thank you.